Hi, I'm Kathy and this is Milestone Maths. Today we're in Level D and we're looking at Lesson 1.1. We're going to look at the introduction to the year and also a bit of a review from last year. So let's make this simple. Last year we used sum sticks a lot to represent numbers and to work with them, to learn how to add, subtract and a bit of division and multiplication. This year, we're not going to use sum sticks anymore. We're going to use base 10 blocks. Look a little bit like sum sticks, but they look a little bit different as well. Now, base 10 blocks are based on our place value chart, which you might remember from last year. We have ones, we have tens, we have hundreds, and we have thousands. 10 ones make up a 10, and 10 tens make up 100, and 10 hundreds will make up 1,000. I think you're all old enough now not to need to work with the manipulatives, so you really don't need to have your own set of base 10 blocks. And in the book we will mostly be looking at diagrams, and on the screen I'll show you now what those diagrams will look like. Now we can use base 10 blocks to represent numbers, a bit like we use sum sticks. So, for example, if I wanted to represent the number 345, I would do that with 300s, 4 tens and 5 ones. Now let's go the other way and let's see if you can work out what number is being shown by the blocks. So if I have 1 cube, 3 flats, 2 longs, and 4 shorts, what number would that be? Well, this is 1,000, so we would have 1,000. We have 3 flats, which are hundreds, so we have 300. We have 2 longs, which are 10, so we have 20. And we have 4 shorts, which are ones. So that number is 1,324. Well, that's all for my part today. Now it's your turn. Open up your workbook to lesson 1.1 and have a go at the lesson practice. Remember, we're making maths simple.